Hey everybody, Ron Mead here, and yep, I'm the 82-year-old guy mentioned in the title. The other day, a guy asked me, well, why do I mention my name and my age right up front? Well, it's pretty simple. I don't know what circumstances there are that are holding you back, but I'm hoping that this thought goes through your mind. If an old duffer that's 82 can do it, so can I. Hopefully, I can provide a little inspiration for you to get moving forward. So let me ask you this. What if you could build a YouTube channel that makes money while you're asleep and you never have to show your face on camera? Sounds pretty crazy, huh? But imagine if there was a course that actually taught you step by step how to do exactly that. That's what the perfect YouTube course would look like for me. And today, I want to walk you some of the things that I think that should include. See, most courses now that I see throw some random tips at you like you should make good content and you should be consistent. Well, quite frankly, that's not enough. The ideal course should be like a roadmap where you know exactly what to do next, from starting your channel, picking your niche, making your first dollar. It's kind of like having a GPS for your YouTube success, just like you've got in your car. Get from one place to another, well, you need to know the same thing if you're going to create a YouTube channel. Now today, I want to talk a little bit about faceless channels because that seems to be the way everybody's going. The course that you select should have an element that shows you how to build a faceless channel. Many of them don't. Many of them are outdated. And this is because not everyone wants to be a vlogger or be a star. Imagine if you could just do this instead. Just instead of filming yourself, you grab some stock clips, add a voiceover, and boom, you've got your full video. Or maybe even you pay someone $10 or $15 or $25 just to record the voice for you. No stress about your hair or your attire, how you look, your lighting, or if your cat walks through the background, just pure content. Okay, and of course, I'd also make sure that you pick the right niche. I'd like to make sure that a course shows you how to do this. Don't just choose something you like. That doesn't work. Choose something that actually pays and you're interested in. For example, let's just say you love tech. You could make videos about new apps, new gadgets, and the advertisers pay big bucks for those views in that field in new tech. Compare that to a funny meme channel that gets millions of views but only earns a couple of dollars. Advertisers don't pay for that. A good course should show you how to spot the difference so you're building a channel that's fun and profitable. Profitable, that's the key word there. Okay, a course should also have what I call a content creation system. And this is why. Now, making one video, that's pretty easy. That's no big deal. How about making 50? This is where people get burned out. And that's why I think an ideal course should give you a production system. They should give you a simple process. Now, it's very simple here, but basically it would say you write or you outsource a script. It should show you how to do that. Number two, it should show you get someone to do the voiceover or do it yourself. Step number three, show you how to get an editor to pull everything together. And step number four, show you how to create a killer thumbnail. And here's the fun part. You don't even have to do those things yourself. You can hire someone in another country to edit these videos for you while you're sleeping. And you wake up in the morning and your video's ready to post. That's how you stay consistent without going crazy. I also think a good course should show you how to make money. There's a variety of ways to make money on YouTube. Ads are one way, that's the most well-known way, but that's the longest, it takes the longest time to get there that way. But they are the start. Let me give you an example of a different way. Let's say you're running a cooking channel and you want to show people how to make your favorite pasta dish. And in it, you drop an affiliate link for the pans and knives that you use. You love them, they're great, you're quite willing to recommend them. And if people buy them, you get paid a small commission. Or let's say you have a fitness channel And all of a sudden, a brand company for a protein product comes along and wants to sponsor you. Now you've got income from ads, affiliate links, and sponsors. You're getting 3 checks instead of 1. Now that's a real business. Of course, all these videos don't mean anything if you don't have something that shows you how to grow your channel. That's why the perfect course would break down various growth strategies. And here's how simple it is. Let's say you want to title your video, How to Save Money. Well, that's not the best title, to be honest with you, but let me just give you my idea of a better one. 10 simple hacks to save you $1,000 fast. Now, which one do you think people are going to click on? I guarantee you it's the second one. You should have a course that shows you how to do that. Let's also say maybe you want to look at your analytics. You don't know how to use the analytics, but people aren't staying on your videos very long. So you need to have a course that shows you how to read your analytics. Not hard to do. It's not hard to do if you know how, right? So that's what you need to know. You need to have a course that shows you how to do that. Now let's talk a little bit about scaling, because this is where it really gets exciting. Let's say you want to build let's say you built a finance channel and it's already pulling in steady income, and you want to take that same system and start a new channel, maybe in health or in tech. Pretty soon you've got 2 channels paying you every month. Now picture 5 channels, each dropping new videos while freelancers handle the heavy lifting for you. That's how you go from a YouTube hobby to a YouTube entrepreneur. Interesting, huh? That's great. That's interesting. Okay, the final thing I really think is important is you need a community and support. And the reason is, if you're working by yourself, it can get pretty tough. I know. We got an extra bedroom in my home. I've converted this little bit of working area, and I love to have a community I can interact with. It says, hey, look at my thumbnail. Do you think it's a good one? And you get instant feedback. How about if you just say, hey, I just hit 10,000 views, and all of a sudden you have 20 people congratulating you. So that's the kind of support that keeps you going, quite frankly, when you feel like giving up. If you ask me, the perfect YouTube course would cover all these bases. Faceless channel, smart niche, selection, a system for content, multiple income streams, growth hacks, scaling, and a community that's got your back. So those are all elements I would look for. Basically, you just need help to get starting a channel, and it would help you build a business that would run while you're asleep. If this breakdown gave you some ideas, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be doing more tips throughout the remainder of this year. And drop a comment if you'd like, telling me, if you were to launch a YouTube channel tomorrow without showing your face, what niche would you pick to work in? Also, there's another link down below that gives you much more detailed information and shows you the exact system that I use. I'm copying a lot of things, but if you know exactly what I'm doing, which is what I'm going to show you, just click on that link. It takes a little more time because he goes into a lot more detail, but well worth your time. So hopefully this benefited you guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.